Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. Today I'll be taking you around this Toyota RAV4. This RAV4 is finished in green and is powered by a 2.5 VVT petrol-hybrid engine with an automatic transmission. On this model, the boot can be remotely accessed where you'll find plenty of space to provide for your daily needs. The space can be extended with the rear seats down. It sits beautifully on 18-inch 5-spoke design alloy wheels, as well as LED daytime running headlights, providing great visibility no matter what the weather condition. Into the back, and the passengers are provided with leather seats with head restraints as well as ISOFIX for convenience. In the front, and the driver is presented with a leather wrap multifunction steering wheel as well as electric leather seats with memory capability. The multifunction steering wheel provides access to voice commands, hands-free, cruise control, speed limiter and lane assist. The fully digital instrument display provides access to vital driving data, which can be accessed using the multifunction steering wheel. In the centre, a coloured touchscreen display gives access to inbuilt satellite navigation, helping you get around with those unfamiliar places. Bluetooth, multimedia and radio is also provided, helping you stay connected at all times. Rear camera making parking a breeze in those tight spaces. Just below the coloured display is the control to the dual climate control, where the driver and the passenger can adjust their temperature to their liking. Heated seats are also provided for those cold months. In the centre console, USB connection, electronic handbrake, different driving mode, the gear selector, 2 cup holders and a leather armrest is also provided. Thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. For further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.